Hey, welcome back to the channel. I don't want you to forget about your old Fire TV sticks. I know there's a new Fire TV stick out there now that you can get, but guys, your old ones still work perfectly fine. I've got an old 2018 4K Fire Stick here, and I'm going to show you how to factory reset it so it's like brand new. These guys will last you years and years if you maintain them. We have all kinds of videos on how to maintain them, but sometimes things get a little wonky if you don't set it up properly. So in today's video, I'm quickly going to show you how to factory reset this. We're going to make this a brand new Fire Stick in today's video. Let's get on the TV and go. All right, so I've got you on the home screen here on the Fire TV Stick. Now, again, like I said before, this is the 4K Fire Stick from 2018. It is a little bit slow. I have been running this thing for quite a few demos over the years, so it's just a little bit slower than I would like it to be. It still works fine, but maybe yours isn't. Maybe yours is stuck on that home screen, or it's in a boot loop, or any of these issues. You can fix this with your remote control during the boot up process or anytime while you're on your home screen if you press the forward portion of the control button. And I'll put a display on the screen so you can see what I'm pressing. And you have to do this at the same time. Again, the forward portion of the control panel and the back button at the same time. Hold both of those down. So I started doing it right now. It takes about 10 to 15 seconds. So I'm still holding it down, still holding it down. It's about 7 seconds in, 8, 9, 10. It's going to continue on until you get to this. It will pop up. Now you can let go of those buttons and say okay, or let it happen in 12, 11, 10 seconds. As it's counting down, it will automatically do that for you. If you lose control of your Fire Stick, you won't be able to hit the OK button. So that's why it will automatically do it. So I let it go ahead and do it as if it was a frozen Fire Stick. It's now resetting. All right, so the total process here took about 10 minutes. So it took a little bit of time, and as you can see, it is starting up as a brand new Fire TV stick. So you're gonna pair your remotes like you always will. Just go ahead and tap the home button on your remote control, and then press the play button to start, just like the initial setup was. Now it's a brand new Fire Stick. It's going to work so much faster now. So you can go through your whole setup as you need to with your device. That was easy, right? And I know a lot of people have old Fire TV sticks, sometimes 5 years or older, just sitting in the drawer. And I've had a lot of people comment recently on my channel asking this very question: how do I resurrect an old Fire TV stick? Well, I just showed you how to do it with just your remote control. This fixes all those problems. If this does not fix your problem, I would check the batteries on your remote control, because it's possible your remote control could be dead, and then do what I said in this video. If it's still not working, you can always use the trade-in policy that Amazon has. And if you're not familiar with that, I will link that video down in the description section of this video that shows you how you can trade in an old Fire TV stick, get 20% off a new one. That might be the way to go for you as well. Hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thanks again. Bye.